So cool! Let's put our luggage onto the shelf. Okay, come on! It's easy. Done. Why have you left your luggage here? It's fine. What can happen?
Let's go!
Stop!
It's. Are you okay?
No, 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 no!
Uh-oh.
Oh, ouch!
Oops.
Suitcases need to be placed on the luggage shelves.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Like this. Okay.
Okay.
Ow!